How much money can you make blogging? Hi there, it's Luigi, and welcome to Catapult Capitalism, your guide in making smart financial moves for your future. If you enjoy watching our videos, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you get updated whenever we upload a new video. Today, we are going to dive into the world of blogging and discover just how much money blogging can make. So if you're interested in this topic, then keep on watching. How much do bloggers earn? In your first year, you may easily earn an extra $500 to $2,000 each month by blogging. Then in years 2, 3, 4, and 5, you can considerably raise your monthly blog earnings. According to Glassdoor, the average blogger wage is more than $50,000 per year, based on multiple anonymously submitted salaries. Many successful full-time bloggers earn over $200,000 per year and work between 10 and 30 hours each week. And while it's a smaller group, some bloggers earn millions of dollars each year, and some even work less than 10 hours per week. That's an incredible return on investment for your time. How much money you make is determined by the amount of traffic you receive and the size of your email list. You may earn $25,000 to $50,000 in your first year of blogging, $100,000 plus in your second year, $250,000 plus in your third year, and $500,000 plus in your fourth year. But again, this depends on some factors. Here are some ways on how you can make money by writing blogs. Google AdSense. You may use Google AdSense to display advertising from the Google Display Network on your website. If you are a novice blogger, Google AdSense is the simplest approach to monetize your site, but it will not make much money from it. Even if you receive 1,000 visits each month, it's possible you might only make $50 using Google Ads. Advertising or publisher networks. Once you've hit 25,000 page views per month, you may stop using Google AdSense and start working directly with an advertising network that will handle the display advertisements on your website to guarantee you're generating the maximum money possible. These networks often take between 20% and 40% of your website's display ad income. Affiliate ads. Affiliate marketing is legal, and posting affiliate adverts on your website may earn you a lot of money. You may make money suggesting products or services and getting compensated every time someone registers up through your link in practically any area. This is affiliate advertising that benefits both bloggers and advertisers, since the advertiser receives a confirmed sign-up and you, the blogger, will likely be compensated more for a confirmed sign-up rather than just a click. With affiliate commissions, where you can receive $1 to $3 per click, depending on the product you're marketing, you might make $5 to $500 or more when someone joins up through your link. Amazon affiliate ads. Amazon is a popular affiliate program, and you may earn money by linking to a product listing on Amazon and having one of your readers buy the goods. While the money you get per unit via Amazon may not be proportionally as high as going straight to a product or service, Amazon offers a very user-friendly affiliate network, and you may pretty much advertise any of the gazillion things on Amazon. The greater the price of the product you advertise, the larger the commission you will receive if someone purchases it through your link. This is one of the reasons why folks who write about electronics, cameras, and other pricey products can totally smash it with affiliate advertisements. For example, when someone buys a TV through their link, they may pocket up to $200 per transaction. With some transactions, you can earn up to 10%. those figures pile up rapidly. Sponsored content. The more popular your blog becomes, the more individuals will contact you and offer to pay to have their work published on it. You're going to be hammered a lot. You may be thinking, whoa, that's a lot of money only to publish someone else's piece. But you must be cautious. Google frowns on this activity, and if they suspect that you are writing a lot of bot material, they may blacklist your blog, which is absolutely terrible and will take you forever to recover from. You should also be cautious about how frequently you post sponsored material because the postings may be frequently bad or contain bad links. If you link from a bad blog article to a bad link, Google will know, and so will your viewers. So, be extremely cautious when accepting sponsored content postings, or charge a lot greater of a cost and create them yourself. Social media promotion. You may probably make money marketing items or services on social media if you are an authority or expert in your industry. The greater your following, the more money you may earn. Paid promotions are one area where having a huge social following may be quite beneficial. Some bloggers with large Instagram followings, for example, make at least $5,000 per month marketing things in their specialty or field of expertise. They have a blog, but they generate more money from their social following as their blog grows. Brand partnerships. When you start getting acknowledged in your specialty, brands may approach you to explore how you might operate together. Prepare for this by having ideas and packages available for how you can assist their brand in reaching your audience and vice versa. You will gain from partnering with the proper companies since they will spread your content and notify their followers about you. Your most valuable asset is your email list. Your email list is the most valuable commodity you have as a blogger. This is your team, your tribe, your audience. They are the ones who will return to read your material and trust you enough to buy from you, either things you make or advertise. Or they are the ones who click on the affiliate links for the products, services, or items you recommend. While you may make money from display and affiliate advertisements on your site, your most profitable possibility will be with your email list. $1,000,000 bloggers may earn between $1 and $5 every email subscriber per month. If you have a list of 10,000 members, you may earn up to $50,000 per month from that list. It's insane. Keep in mind though that would be an extreme case and not common. A monthly fee of $1 to $3 per email user is actually feasible. Begin constructing your email list as soon as you launch your blog. Your most valuable asset is your email list. How long does it take to make money blogging? Many blogging categories may earn between 1 cent to 25 cents per page visit through display and affiliate adverts. So, if you obtain 1,000 page views per month, which is quite easy, you may earn $10 to $25 each month, which can be used to pay the cost of hosting the site. However, if you can get 100,000 page views each month, you may earn $1,000 to $25,000 per month. So clearly, the more people your blog reaches, the more money you may make. The more time you devote to publishing high-quality content, the larger your traffic and email list will get. Do you need experience to be a blogger? To make money blogging, you don't need any professional background. You have complete control over your website, which allows you to hone your digital marketing talents via trial and error. What kind of blogs generate revenue? High-earning blogs all have one thing in common. They have a deep connection with their readership. The more people who read your site and believe your advice, the more probable it is that you will make money blogging. Which blog platform is the most profitable? Although WordPress is the most popular blogging platform, some people prefer to use another CMS such as Blogger, Squarespace, or Tumblr instead. Whatever platform you use, the monetization tactics discussed in this video will assist you in earning money from your blog. Building a blog business is not a straight line. The ideal money source is determined by your specialty, relationship with your audience, and the form your content comes in. First, focus on creating outstanding content and a dedicated following before experimenting with various monetization strategies. And that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it or found it helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification icon. Thank you so much for tuning in to Catapult Capitalism, and we'll see you later.